In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Google Sheet in Notion. If you're new to Notion or just getting started, embedding a Google Sheet is a fantastic way to keep all your important information organized in one place. Let's dive into this simple process step by step. First, let's start by opening the Google Sheet you want to embed. You probably have a specific sheet in mind that contains all your vital data or a beautiful analysis you are proud of. So go ahead and open that document in Google Sheets. Just make sure you're logged into the correct Google account to access it. Once you have your Google Sheet open, the next step is to copy the share link. To do this, look for the Share button typically located at the top right corner of the screen. It's a small button with a vaguely person-like icon, often complemented by the word Share. Click on it, and a dialog box will appear. If you haven't set the sharing to allow anyone with the link to view, make sure to set it so that the sheet can be accessed where it's embedded. Once you've adjusted the settings, simply copy the link provided in the dialog box. Now let's switch over to Notion. Assuming you have your workspace open, decide where you want to embed your Google Sheet. When you're ready, click on the page or the section where you want the sheet to live. In the body of the page, you're going to type the command embed. Notion recognizes commands that start with the slash, and embed is particularly useful for incorporating external content. After you type embed, you'll notice that Notion presents you with an embedding option. It's as simple as that. Now paste the Google Sheet link you copied earlier into the provided area. Once you've done that, the magic happens. Your Google Sheet will be displayed right there within your Notion page. And there you have it, a seamless way to integrate Google Sheets into your Notion workflow. With this setup, you can view and even interact with your Google Sheet data directly from Notion. This means no more switching back and forth between tabs, letting you focus more on your projects. Embedding Google Sheets in Notion not only helps you conserve space and keep everything organized, but also enhances collaboration. Your team members can view the sheet right alongside related notes, upcoming tasks, or any additional information you have in Notion. It's a great way to streamline your workflow and boost productivity. Thank you for watching this Notion tutorial. I hope it has made the process easy to understand and that you feel more confident using this powerful feature. Don't forget to experiment and make it your own, mixing, matching, and finding the perfect balance that fits your needs. Happy organizing!